this video, I teach you how to formulating now an alternative hypothesis. Two types of hypothesis. First, null hypothesis. Second, alternative hypothesis. Hypothesis, a tentative statement or explanation of a phenomena. Next, an educated guess. Next, a guess or prediction made by a researcher regarding the possible outcome of the study. Null hypothesis, a statement that there is no difference between parameter and specific value, the starting point of investigation, and denoted by HO. Alternative hypothesis, a statement that there exists difference between parameter and a specific value. It is the contrary to the null hypothesis, denoted by HA or H1. In formulating hypothesis, there are some important keywords in null hypothesis. First, equal to. Second, the same as. Third, not changed from. Fourth, not different to. And lastly, is. For alternative hypothesis, we have the symbol of not equal, greater than, and less than. First, not equal to, different from, changed from, not the same as. Next, greater than, above, higher than, longer than, bigger than, increase at less. Third, less than, lower than, smaller than, shorter than, decrease or reduce at most. To do that, look the claim in the statement. Example number 1. The owner of the factory that sells a particular bottle fruit juice claims that the average capacity of bottle of their product is 250 ml. Is the claim true? So the null hypothesis is the average capacity of a bottle fruit juice is 250 ml. In the symbol, we have H of O, mu is equals to 250 ml. Mu is the symbol of mean year average, and the sign is mathematical symbol that correspondent the word is. An alternative hypothesis, the average capacity of the bottle fruit juice is not 250 ml. The symbol HA, mu is not equal to 250. Take note that the alternative hypothesis is contrary to the null hypothesis. Therefore, the H sub A or alternative hypothesis is stated like this. Example number 2. The average score of grade 11 class in a statistic quiz is above 75. This statement is the word above was used. Therefore, this will be our alternative hypothesis. This alternative hypothesis is the average score of grade 11 class in a statistic quiz is above 75. And the symbol mu greater than 75. In the null hypothesis, the average score of a grade 11 class in a statistic quiz is 75. The symbol mu is equals to 75. Always remember that the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis is contradict each other. And if you learn something in this video, please subscribe and see you next video.